69. Under the Wings. Ever since I was a child, one of the more lovely sights for me has been a mother hen and her chicks. We have several mother hens and their little ones running around the place. At first hint of danger, the mother hen clucks, brings the chicks racing for the protection of her wings. It's a delight to watch them, minutes later, peeking out to see if all is well. Our Lord uses that image in speaking of his loving care. In Matthew 23:37, he says to Jerusalem, quote, "How often would I have gathered thy children together, even as a hen gathereth her chickens under her wings, and ye would not." End quote. Jerusalem professed to be the centre of true worship, but it would not place itself under Christ. Any man, woman, family, church, school or nation, however important, which will not place itself under the protection and care of the Lord, faces a judgment like Jerusalem's. We aren't called to go it alone. We are the Lord's. We must either accept his care and government or face his judgment. Living in the foothills as we do, we frequently lose heedless chicks to predators. Living as we do in an evil generation, we see losses at times of heedless youths and adults to the stupidities of sin. We weren't created to live alone, and we were created to serve the Lord with all our heart, mind, and being. Our place, therefore, is under the wings of grace and mercy.